Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to see some more HTML script language programming. So in this particular video we are going to focus on some basic HTML yet again. So let's start doing the programming, and let's open Notepad first. So Windows key plus R, and you can press Notepad, that is type Notepad, press enter, and let's see what we can do here. So first we will open HTML, head, section, title, section. So let's give the title of this web page as a web page to illustrate HTML. Title close, head close. Let's open the body, and I'll give the attribute as bg color equals, let's say, aqua, and let's say top margin equals 100. Let's say bottom margin equals 100 as well. Bracket close, enter. Now let's open first level of heading, that is heading 1. Let's give a heading of this web page as illustration of HTML H1 close. Let's make this heading tag, that is the heading of the web page, centered. So I will type here center. It's the center tag to center anything. Let's close center. Let's go to the next line, and let's say we are implementing the paragraph tag. So equals, the alignment will be center as well. This web page illustrates the use of, let's break over here, BR tag, let's break, use of HTML scripts for the understanding of the viewers. Let's break again. So enter. P close, paragraph tag closed, and let's add horizontal row. Let's give the color of horizontal row as, let's say, red. It's fine. Let's go for slash body. Let's go for slash HTML close. Control S. Say this one as illustration of HTML.html, the extension name, and press enter. I will close this one, and let's see the output. Output should come in just a few seconds. Yeah, perfect. So this is how you can create another HTML web page with the top margin and bottom margin, and also the paragraph tag and the horizontal row. See you all next time in another video. Thank you.